What if the most terrifying place in the universe is also the most fascinating? A place where space ends, time collapses, and every known law of physics simply stops working. We call it a black hole. But what's really inside one? It begins with the event horizon, a boundary so powerful that once anything crosses it, there's no coming back. Not even light, traveling 186,000 miles per second, 300,000 kilometers per second, can escape. That's why it looks completely black. Not because it's empty, but because it hides everything inside. Imagine you're an astronaut drifting too close. From your ship, it's silent, no sound, no warning. Suddenly, you feel gravity pulling you in, stronger and stronger, until it becomes impossible to resist. The closer you get, the slower time flows. This is time dilation. For you, minutes pass normally. But for someone watching from far away, those same minutes could look like years. You'd appear frozen at the edge of the event horizon, forever trapped in that final moment, as if the universe itself refused to let you go. But beyond that invisible boundary, things get even stranger. Matter is crushed. Atoms, protons, electrons, everything collapses into a single point of infinite density known as the singularity. 1 teaspoon of it could weigh more than a mountain. 1 cubic inch, 16 cubic centimeters, might outweigh Mount Everest. In this place, gravity is so extreme that space and time are torn apart, twisted together in ways our minds can't truly comprehend. Scientists believe there are millions of black holes across our galaxy alone. From small ones formed by dying stars to monsters billions of times heavier than our sun. At the center of the Milky Way lies Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole 26,000 light-years away. It has the mass of 4 million suns and stretches over 14 million miles, 22 million kilometers across. Around it, entire stars orbit at speeds over 15 million miles per hour, 24 million kilometers per hour, locked in a cosmic dance around the mouth of eternity. But if nothing can escape, how can we know what's inside? Here's the truth: we don't, but we can guess. Some physicists suggest that all the matter falling into a black hole doesn't vanish. It's stored at the surface, encoded as information on the event horizon. Think of it as a cosmic hard drive, keeping a record of everything it's ever consumed. Others say that black holes might be gateways, tunnels connecting our universe to others, or even to the very beginning of time. And then there's Hawking radiation, the faint glow predicted by Stephen Hawking himself. It suggests that black holes aren't eternal. Over unimaginable spans of time, trillions upon trillions of years, they slowly lose mass, evaporate, and fade away. But if they disappear, what happens to all the information trapped inside? That's the information paradox, one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. Some believe that as a black hole evaporates, it releases this information back into the universe, scattered like whispers across time and space. Others think that information is never truly lost, only transformed. Maybe it becomes the seed of a new universe. Let's take it further. Picture falling past the event horizon. To you, nothing seems strange at first, but the deeper you go, the more space and time begin to swap roles. You don't move through space anymore, you fall through time. The singularity becomes your future. There's no turning back. Every path leads toward that infinite point of no return. But here's the paradox that breaks every law we know. If you could somehow survive the fall, if you could endure the tidal forces that would stretch you thinner than an atom, where would you end up? Some theories suggest you might emerge somewhere else in the universe, maybe even in another one entirely. A white hole, the theoretical opposite of a black hole, a place where nothing can enter, only escape. Could black holes be portals, connecting distant parts of reality? Or are they the universe's ultimate recycling system, turning matter into pure energy and giving birth to something new? We don't have the answers yet, but every new discovery, from gravitational waves to the first images of a black hole's shadow, brings us closer to understanding the unthinkable. In April 2019, humanity saw the impossible, the first ever image of a black hole, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a glowing ring of light orbiting the abyss. That ring wasn't the hole itself. It was matter burning at billions of degrees, racing around the event horizon at nearly the speed of light, before vanishing forever. Looking at it was like staring into eternity, the edge between everything we know and everything we never will. Black holes challenge our understanding of reality. They remind us that the universe is not just vast, it's mysterious, unpredictable, and alive with secrets. Maybe inside them lies the answer to where everything began, or where everything will end. Because sometimes, the deepest darkness hides the brightest truth. If this journey through the unknown fascinated you, don't stop here. Hit subscribe and become part of our community of explorers who look beyond the stars. Leave a like if black holes blow your mind, and share this video with someone who still believes space is just empty. Because the universe is talking to us, and every mystery we solve brings us closer to understanding who we really are, out there, among the stars. Keep exploring, tap the next video, and journey further into the universe.